Look at those two, Bob. Dumi naman yan. Boba man. What's up guys? Ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng The Boba Tea Shop. So, itong game na to is about Boba Tea Shop. Okay. Siyempre nakalagay na nga sa title, ang galing mo. Start a new game? Yes! Nag-iiba yung itsura dyan sa main menu. Tayo ba yun? Ha? Yung babae kanina sa meme, no? Grand opening, Boba Tea Shop. After saving up for 5 years, panilhabad na pamanid mo amabasya. Okay. So, this is it. The moment where all those long corporate days finally pays off and I'm about to shut down. Okay. But even though all this excitement, my nerves are on edge. I put everything into this place. I can't let it fall. I can't let it fail. Day 1. Alright. It's day 1. So, ito na tayo. Ito na tayo again. Again no. Flip store signage to open door. Wow! Nasa taas tayo ng building! Ang ganda ng view dito. Look at that. Look at the Nazca. Flip down natin yung signage. Let's go. Prepare for customers. Go to your counter and close counter door. Pagbibenta na tayo, pero what's this? CRs. Uy, pwede maghugas ng kamay. Ano tayo dyan? Alis na tayo dyan. Ano to? Saan natin yan? Para ready to use. It's about time. A Boba Tea Shop opened around here. I have a boba milk tea. Ano? Sabi niya? Masabi mo daw? I'll have a boba milk tea. I will have, okay. Boba milk tea. Fill cup with black tea and milk and boba. Empty cup. Wow. Cup station. Tapos, black tea. Where's the black tea? Ito, black tea container. Punuin lang natin yan, then add milk. Ito milk. Okay. Tapos boba. Ito. Lagay lang natin yan dyan. Tapos pwede na i-serve. I have. Ito na. Please. You can only deliver yung software. Seal pa yung cup. Ito ba? Seal pa. Seal. Ito na po. Ding! Thank you. You're welcome, ma'am. $1. Some customers may ask for specific request. Please carefully and don't mess up it. Okay. Wala. Ilan dollars yun? $8 isang ganun, mahal. Sir, ano sa'yo, sir? What's all this fuss about these rings? It's milk tea with tapioca also. These drinks are trending among youngsters. You should try one. Ito sir, ang pinakamasarap na boba tea shop sa buong mundo sa panahon ngayon kasi we open that. OA. Alright then, I'll take 1 boba milk tea for my son and 1 black tea for myself. Ito na sa isa. This better be good. Siyempre, ako may gawa eh. Yay, a boba tea shop. Big sis, can I get 1 fresh milk with boba? Please? Ito na, baby girl. Big sis, this is... Ano bang sa'yo? Can I get 1 fresh milk with... fresh milk! Wala palang black tea. I'm so sorry, baby girl. Nakakatakot eh. Nakakatakot yung graphics nito eh. Oh. Thank you. Welcome. Which is you should add strawberry boba to my menu. It will be a best for show. For show? Magkano binigay niya? Pan. Expanding namin could be a good idea. We'll do some research after closing, okay? Wow, annyeonghaseyo! Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such a beautiful lady behind. Anything will do as long as you add in. So, okay, kahit ano daw, basta may boba. Okay, sir. Wait, Misa. Ano yun si Jungkook? Jungkook kami da. Anang, ay, no, may saltik ata ako eh. Kahit ano daw eh. Eh di, para mas mapadali. Madaliin na lang natin. Ay, ang creepy talaga ng graphics itong larong ito. Kala mo, multuhin ako anytime. Okay. Gee, thanks. Also, you look really cute. Can I have your number? No, sir. I'm a boy. Nagpapanggap lang akong babae. Oy, buti naman. Sweet, now I got a new favorite bubble tea shop. The End Barista. Manyakis ka. Here is a little extra. $10. Binigyan tayo ng extra $2. Flip store science chocolate. This is half a day. I should clean the shop and thrift. Okay. Dumi naman yan. Sino ka? Ang creepy. Ang creepy mo. I'm so sorry I didn't mean to scare you. Patay ka na ate. Namumutla ka na. Tingnan mo mata mo. Tingnan mo matang yan. Namumutla. Atakihin ko sa puso sa'yo eh. So you were about to close and had rushed in. It's fine. Come over. Found her there. Paano kaya kung eto? Ano? Ayoko eh. Di naman ako ganyan eh. Mabait ako eh. Thank you so much. Ang creepy mo, girl. Ba? I'll take one book with good extra. Baka pumasok ka pa dito sa counter, ha? Ano daw order niya? Hindi ako nakikinig, eh. Boba milk tea with extra boba. Boba milk tea. Boba milk tea. Huwag kang papasok dito, tignan mo. Hindi ka na ako mamatay kanina sa iyo eh. Oh. Huwag ka papasok. Ang creepy mo, min. Mas lalo pang pinakreepy nung ano eh. $10. Ba't pula? Pula ba talaga binibigay niyan? Ang creepy niya. Hindi ko na ako mamatay kanina eh. Keep the stare. Ayoko tumingin sa likod. Ah! Keep the chairs. San? Gogi. Pinagpapawisan na ako. Ay. Kala ko ibabalik dito. Pinakakabahan na ako, min. This is not. Take them up from the start and clean dirt spot. Ano to? Ito. Pinakakabahan na ako. Lumalayo na ako sa screen. Ayoko ng ganito. Okay. Last. Exit the shop and search. Ayoko tumingin sa likod. Bilis na, bilis. Bilisan nyo. Huwag kayong manggugulat. Please. I'm a good person. Ayoko tumingin diretso sa likod eh. Tapos na ang day 1. Day 2. So day 2, I have introduced the coffee. Sears into the menu. This should keep those workaholic awake. Also, thanks to that little girl's suggestion, I have added strawberries into the mix. Strawberry. Time to wow the customers with some new drinks. Okay. The recipe for the new drink is jotted down on the bright board in the... Sinulat niya na. May bago tayong recipe, so mas matrabaho na to. Open this shit. Boom! Ay, wala pa pala. Go to your counter. Nakakatakot yung babae kanina. Hanggang ngayon yung puso ko sakit sa ano. Ang sakit sa ribs. Ayop yan. Ikaw na naman, sir. Mukhang magiging loyal customer kita, sir. I see you have added some coffee drinks to the menu. Give me some boba milk tea and one America. Okay. Boba, milk tea, and Americano. May Americano ba ako? Sure. Americano. Ano to? Coffee container. Americano. Ibig sabihin coffee is Americano din. Ano to? Strawberry sla. Place. Okay, boba. Para na naman sa anak niya yung boba, tas yung kape sa kanya. As it kids. Okay, sir. This is your Americano and this is your baba me... Ay, di. Wala pa palang takip. Seal that one. Ito na, sir. Ding! Thanks. Just head up for you. I will be running maintenance on the electrical circuit of this building. So expect some power outage from... Ayun na nga ba. Brown out. Takot na nga ako dito. Nag-brown out pa. Ay, ayun pala yung menu natin. Ay, hindi talaga pwede. Wow! Look at that. Ay. Ano sa'yo, ma'am? Give me 2 boba strawberry milk tea. Look at those 2 boba. Ito na, ma'am. 1 for you. 1 for you. Ayan. Sakto 2 boba for you. 2 boba. Okay na yan, ma'am. This is not what I order. You can't even get... What? Ganun ba ako katanga? Wait lang. Give me 2 boba. Ah, kailangan yan na strawberry. Okay. This is your strawberry. What? Wait. May nakalimutan ako. Oh! Strawberry! Wait, pwede ko pa ba ilagay? Wala, hindi na pwede. Ulit na naman, dami kong sinayang. Lugi na yung ano ko. Lugi na yung shop ko. Wala na, GG na. Nalugi na yung shop ko tuloy. Wala sa oras. Kaka-start ko pa lang yan ha, partida. Look at those boba. Aha, okay yan na, ma'am. What took you so long? Sorry na. I almost died for it. Sus. Pasalamat ka, hindi uso sa akin ng body shame. Oops! Hoy, ikaw ba yan? Ikaw ulit? You added strawberry into your menu. Please make an drink. Baka ikaw yung multo Please make my drink with strawberry. Okay. Got you, my girl. My girl. Oy! No! Ulo! Mag-brown out. Please. Putik. Ayoko nito. Ayoko ng ganito. Ayoko ng ganito. Okay. Ito na, baby girl. Did you not pay your electricity bill, big sis? Nagbayad ako, may ginagawa lang dito, ha? Here's a little extra yung sisi. Tuloy, napagpamalan pa tayong hindi nagbabayad ng electricity. Please, huwag ka mag-brown out. Alis na ako dito. May magugulat. Ay. Ikaw ulit, ma'am. Dami ko ng loyal customer, ah. Ano sa'yo, ma'am? What is wrong with your store? There's no electricity. Ano yun? Parang may nakita. Wala ba? There's no electricity. Anyway, giving up the strawberry milk tea. Ito na, ma'am. This is not what I ordered. Ayun na naman. Ayun na naman ang di pakikinig. Ano ba? Walang boba. Strawberry milk. Ito na, ma'am. Sorry. Thanks for doing your job. Wala. 1 star na ako sa kanila. Puro pagkakamali na ginawa ko. Oh. may natawag. Ano yan? May manggugulat. Ay. Hey there, it's me again from just now. Just wanna inform you that I have completed the extra cities maintenance. Okay, good sir. You shouldn't be experiencing any power tension. Tapos mag-outage pa yan. No. That's all, bye. Na-fix niya na daw. Oh. Kakagulat ka naman. Sir? Well, hello there. This place has really cozy vibe. Depende kung joke lang. So many choices. I don't even know what to start. Say, do you have any caffeinated milky drinks? Yes, sir. We have, sir. We have. We all have that. Caffeinated milky drinks? Don't worry, sir. I got you. Ito na, sir. Do you have... Ay, kailangan pala ilapag. Ay, nasa. Just how I like my caffeine. Smooth, creamy, and milky. Here's a little tip for making it how I like it. $8. Wow. 5. 15. 15. Oh, okay. Flip. Ayan na naman. May manggugulat na naman. Ayoko na. Takbo! Ayoko nito. Kinakabahan ako lagi kapag ganito na. Tingin sa baba, huwag lilingon. Tingin sa baba lang, tingin lang sa baba, tingin lang sa baba. Tingin lang sa baba. And your ship. Wag. No. Please. Huwag kayong manggulat, ha. Ayan naman yung babae. Ay, buti naman wala. Kinabahan ako dun. Day 3. The day of the day of the day. I have added chocolate series into the menu. Okay. Now my customer should have more variety of drinks to choose from. Okay. Simulan na natin ulit. Close. Okay, ulit na naman. Ulit-ulit lang ang ginagawa. So, naulan na. Naulan eh, no? Hindi kasi pwede lang. Kasi... Pang ilang balik mo na to, ma'am. Give me a cup of Boba Mocha. Make sure you do it right. Wala kasi akong alam sa mga ganto-ganto eh. I think ito yon. Tapos ito. Putik boba lang. Ilang beses ako magkakamali. Ilugi na yung ano. Oh, pwede itapon lahat oh. Hindi pala tayo malulugi kasi. Tignan mo naman yan. Unlimited supply. Nag-experiment lang ako. Wait. Coffee container. Tapos ito. Ito rin. Mocha! Mocha. Ito na po. Ma'am, this is your mocha. Oh, baka sabihin mo, matagal na naman ako Yeah, this looks fine. Anyways, yeah. Have you ever heard the woman who jumped from this? Ba naman? Parang isa tayo dito. The stress must have gotten to her. Kung ako nandito sa sitwasyon ng karakter ko, alis na ako dito! I understand working in a corporate job is stressful. Corporate life isn't easy, but some of us have an image to maintain. You wouldn't get it working a low-stress job like this. Baka yung babaeng nagpakamatay is yung nakita ko kanina? Ano sa'yo, sir? Well, hey there. Nice to see you again. Could you give me one chocolate milk? I've had enough kapen this morning. Chocolate milk. Oh! Ano yun? Putik ka. Alright. Thank you. $1, $1, $7. $7 pala isa nito talaga. Ayoko na. Ayun na naman si Boba. Ay, Miss Boba. Sino, ano sa'yo, Miss Boba? Give me a double Boba strawberry tsaka I get quick, I got another lap to run. Mukha ka bang na? Joke lang. Ano? Double Boba strawberry chocolate milk. Double Boba. Strawberry. Double. Ano yan? Double Boba strawberry chocolate milk. Take you to... Okay. Hindi ko magtrabaho dito! Ina-open mo ko. $1, $10. $12. Dito lang tayo, stay lang tayo dito. Feeling ko, andito na yung multo eh. Nakita ako dun kanina eh. Gulat ako sa'yo. Hi miss. Hi boy. I really like your boba tea. My dad always gets it for me. Anong gagawin nun? CR. My dad always get... Ay, yung tatay niya yung ano. What is the person? Okay, yung tatay niya yung parang electricity constructor. Ewan. Can I have a boba milk tea and one mocha, please? Ito na ang mocha mo, boy. Ang creepy ng mga tao dito. Parang kala mo halos lahat sila patay na eh. Oh. Kasi itsura pa lang ng graphics eh ang crispy na. Thanks, miss. Waiting for my dad every day is so boring. Mag-stay ka na lang dito sa akin. Pili, dito na lang. Samahan mo ka. 1. Ay. Magkano na ang kita natin? 160 po. Oops. Ikaw ba yung tumalon? So you don't happen to have any matcha drinks, do you? That's a shame. I really love matcha. Hindi umalis ka dito. Oh well, in that case, ano boba chocolate? Boba chocolate, okay. Kanina kinakabahan pa ako, ngayon yung inaabangan ko na lang yung ano eh, yung nagpakamatay daw, ewan. You don't happen to have any... Hay na, kez. Ayan na, oh. Thanks, but seriously, add some matcha. Okay. Gulat ako sa'yo. Yung lalaki doon, lumabas na ba? Yung pumunta doon. Hello there, sweetie. Such a lovely little chap you have here. Could I have a cup of strawberry chocolate, please? Show, ma'am, show. For show. Thank you, sweetie. You look a little pale, like you've seen a ghost or something. Make sure you get enough sleep, dear. Night can be unkind to the restless. Mukha na tayong maputla. Closing time now. Should I ever check it from closing? Ito na nga ba ang sinasabi ko? Putik! Magugulat na. Dito yan malamang. Wala. Ano yan? Manyakis ka! So we are closing soon. Are you going? Nasaan siya? Halina tayo dito! Putik, sabi na yun yung manyakis eh. Anong gagawin ko? Pupunta tayo dito sa madilim, malamang. Tanga tong larong to. Yan na. Add stroke. Ah? Hindi nasa. Nasaan na yun? Tarantado yun ah. Ang creepy. Am I seeing things lately? I should leave early. Ayun na, gulat time. Clean your shop. Pati ba naman dito? Wala naman akong tinapon. Ayun pala, dami ko palang tinapon. Magugulat na ako dito. Ayoko magulat eh. Sakit sa puso. Wala nang gulat. Himala ah. Day 4. Okay, day 4. I've been feeling off lately. Maybe it's just the stress. I even went to see a psychologist about. Minanyak ka na kasi yung lalaki dun eh. She said I'm fine. That's it. That's it all in my head. But I can stop now. Business is picking up with the new menu and I need to keep things running. Pinilit pa ang sanya sarili kahit siya'y pagod na. Open na naman. No? Tinatawag. Hello, this is Miss Risa. Sino ka? This is Dr. Amanda. Psychologist. Yesterday. I wanted to check in on you. You mentioned seeing things that can happen when you're under a lot of stress. If you see something that isn't really there, try shifting your focus away and take a deep breath for a few seconds. Most of the time that should help. But if doesn't, maybe consider leaving work early, getting some rest. Okay. Baliw na pala tayo. Nakakita tayo ng mga bagay-bagay. Ay, hindi pala tayo. Ay, so. Oh. Bagong customer. Yeah, give me 2 Americanos, 1 latte, and 1 mocha. Ang dami niyang pinagawa. Dagdag stress yan sa atin yan. Hi. Oh, Americano. Mocha. No, kung ano-ano na makikita natin yan. Oh, pretty pa naman ang graphics. Dami niyang pinagawa. Hi. Good, everything's here. Hitting the road with my family. Gotta keep them awake so they don't pass out on me. Okay, sa family niya. Huh? Suntukan na lang. Loser, eh. Deliberate. Ang creepy nung kanina talagang lalaki dun. Oy. Wow. Boba matcha latte. Make it quick. Boba matcha latte. Ang ganda ng kulay oh. Gray tawag dun. Basta nag-fade ganyan. Okay. This is your order, sir. Running a company isn't easy, you know. Look! Run away from her. Oh my jeez. Left a mess behind. Now I have to clean it up for her. Unlike her, I don't get the luxury. Oh. Ayan na, may babae na dun sa banyo. So people rely on me to feed their families. Thankfully, I found a replacement fast. Sorry, that was a weird thing to rant about. Sir, laman mo ako, sir. Consider it a little extra for your trouble. $50. Bait mo, sir, pero mamatay na ako eh. Para saan pa tong mga pera? Of course. Please, customer. I'm scared. Ayoko nitong gantong pakiramdam eh. You have added matcha. That's awesome. Can I have boba strawberry matcha milk tea? Matcha milk tea. Ang ganda ng kulay talaga. Ang ganda ng kulay yung halo-halo. Oh! Look! Putik ka. Ano yan? Kailangan ko sa kanya. May diaper pa. Ayoko na. I've been feeling of elevation. So, hindi ka na stress. Numulto ka na. He said, I'm fine now. Can't stop now. Ha? Umulit ba? Umulit ba? Ba't parang ganito rin yung kanina? Nangyari? Ano nangyari? Umulit ata ah. Hello, this is Miss Risa. Mother, sir. She's something that isn't there. Ano na? Umulit eh. Okay, yun na naman. So, this weird thing to rant about, okay? Very good. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Asan na siya? Ayan na. Ano to? Added matcha, that's awesome. Can I have guava strawberry? Matcha milk tea. Okay. Okay na. Kinakabahan na ako. Boba. Dali na tayo yan. Ay! Thank you. Hindi na siya nagmulto. Kala ko pa naman mumultuhin ako. Okay, ano sa'yo? Please make me any drink with strawberry again. Wait, huwag na pala lilingon. Technique dun, huwag na lilingon. Last ka na. Tingin. Ay, nakakabahan na ako. Thank you, big sis. May sa late ice may awa. Buti tinitipan nila ako kahit pag ganun lang. Ayoko na. Oh, ikaw na naman. Pang ilang balik mo na. Give me strawberry mocha. Okay. Hop. Ay, nakakakaba kasi. Great, now back to working I go. Ha? Dugo na yan eh. Putik, dugo na yan. Dugo na yan, girl. Hindi na yan mocha. Day 5. Last day. Alright. I haven't really been feeling like myself lately. Maybe it's just stress or not getting enough sleep. But I've got a business to run and people are starting to come back more often. Just gotta keep going one cup at a time. One cup at a time daw. Pagod na siya sa buhay niya. Router counter, close the door. Dilim ah. Dilim ba? Sa akin lang ba yung madilim? Okay ko na naman, sir. One boba milk tea. Nag-iiba na itsura niya. One boba milk tea. Ay, putik ka pa. Ulit-ulit ako. Sorry, sir. Ito na, sir. Boba. Focus lang. Sabi ng doktor, focus lang. Boba milk tea. Kailangan pala mag-focus. Okay, gets. Boba milk tea. Thanks. It's these damn things choke me. Huh? I'm coming back to haunt you. Look! Who the heck is that? Sino yun? Could I get one half can green tea, please? Please, sino yan oh? Sino yan oh? May multo. I'd better leave while I still can. Sama mo na ako. Ayun oh, sino yan? Nakangiti ka pa talaga. Sige. Magkakasubukan tayo. Double boba matcha milk tea. Double boba matcha milk tea. Hurry or else. Eddie, hurry. Boba. matcha. Okay, gulatin mo ako. Boba matcha milk. Putik, nagbibenta. Nagbibenta lang ako ng matcha. Ng boba matcha. Ano ba yun? Ulit na naman. Okay, ito na yung green tea niya. Green tea. Huwag kalilingon. Focus lang. Focus. Okay na. The yin energy is... Okay, leave ka na. Ayan na siya. Ayan na. Naka-ready no? Ano? Subukan mo ako. Double boba. Ay, double boba! Isang boba lang yung nailagay ko. Double boba. Double boba. Double boba. Double boba. Double boba. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ka. Ulit na naman. Oh. I know I said I didn't trust boba, but may sana oh. Ayan o. Dalawang boba. Ayan o. Oh. Diba? Ang lakas ko no. If this damn... Oo. Paulit-ulit kayo. Ito yung isa naman. Green tea. Green tea itong isa. Bisado ko na, di ba? Bilis ko talaga makisado. Oh. Ano sa'yo? Deary, could I get green tea please? Okay. Ito, green tea mo. Oh. Oo na. Ano sinasabi nyo? Ayun na. Ito yung pinakaabangan ko eh. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Nakangiti ka pa. O ano sa'yo? Bobo matcha milk tea. Ito na oh. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Wala. Ayan oh. Thank you. Oh. Ano pa? Ano next? Wala na yung black ano natin. Sana tapos na. Ayoko na nito. May na ako natakot ng ganito sa laro. Oh, ikaw, ano ka? Hello, nice to meet you. I am an inspector from the Department of Health. I need to run a quick cleanliness check on your shop. This is to make sure that your shop meets the standard needed. Don't worry, you may continue serving your customers normally. Just pretend I'm not here. Okay. Paano kung may makita kang mga dugo dyan kasi hindi ko lang alam. Baka manggulat ka ha? Hindi ko na siya makita. Wala na siya atang mata. I'm kinda bored of strawberry. Can I try lemon tea instead? Ay na baby girl. Thank you big sis. Anong ginagawa nung bae dun? Ay, kala ko hindi siya lalabas eh. Balik lang ah. Anything matcha and sweet will do. I'm too tired to choose. Okay. Serve na natin. It's alright. A little something for you. Thank you. Hindi ka na masungit ah. Ano ma'am? Malinis ba ma'am? I've completed the inspection of your shop, but unfortunately it's very filthy. It doesn't meet the standard of cleanliness of the Ministry of Health. I've no choice but to issue a fine of 100. Huh? Please make sure to clean your shop through the... Pupuin pa tayo ng $100. I don't feel so good. I should leave the office soon. Leave na tayo. Ayoko na rin dito eh. Dapat kanina ka pa nag-leave eh. Exit the shop. Dapat kanina ka pa nag-leave. Kanina ko pa. Alam, may day 6 pa. Kailan ito matatapos? Ang lala. Every day I feels like I'm things I see, sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not. I don't even know what's real anymore, but this shop is my dream. I worked too hard to let it all fall apart now. So I smile, I serve, and keep going. Oh, ba't hindi na, girl? Ang lala mo, girl. Dilim na, wala na. Wala na. Tapos na tayo. OMG. Hindi ko na siya nakita, kinakabahan na ako. You had the best road. Yo, had the best road trip of my life. And look at you, still slaving away behind the counter. What a loser. Anyway, give me matcha latte and strawberry mocha. Matcha latte. Ano yun, matcha latte? Oh my days! Nagbo-brown out. Okay. Focus ako, tahimik ko. You know how to follow instruction. I guess even losers can learn. Dilim na oh. Kung ako di na ako magkatrabaho. Promise lang. Lo! Ikaw na naman, hayop ka. Kailan ka ba matututo? Ang dami nyo ah. Ano? Yo na. Just give me any strong coffee, no milk. Make it quick. Oo na, wait lang. Yung babaeng nagpakamatay yan, tumalon sa building. For a second there, I thought I'd have tissue to brew coffee. Sino next? Sino sa inyo? Mamaya may nasa tabi na ako eh. 4 na sila. Yoko na. Customers. Boba matcha milk tea. Boba matcha. Ayoko na. Day 6, Bessie. Lakas ng ulan. Biglang lumakas yung ulan. Every day feels like I'm sleeping further. The things I see, sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not. I don't even know what's real anymore. But this shop is my dream. I've worked hard to let it fall apart now. So I'll smile, I'll serve, and I'll keep it going. No, ay, pinilit pa ng karakter natin yung sarili niya kahit na pagod na siya. Nakakaawa ka. Kasi ayoko pa rin lumingon ng diretso. Wala, ang dilim na. Ang dilim na sobra, Bessie. No. Ang dilim sobra. Yo, had the best road trip of my life. And look at you, still slaving away behind the counter. What a loser. Loser? I'm a loser. Anyway, give me a matcha latte and strawberry mocha. Okay, ito na, sir. Ding! Nice, so you know how to follow instructions. Guess even losers can learn. Sino yan, Bessie? Fudge. No. Kada namamatay yung ilaw, dumadami sila. So, I think just give me any strong coffee, no milk. Make it quick. Bilis. Second that I have the tissue brew coffee. Una. Nakaba na ako, sobra. Focus. Focus lang. Don't get boba matcha milk tea. Boba, bilis. Huwag ka manggugulat. Oh, ano yan? Job, I guess. Oh. Ano? Focus. Hide. Ka. Ako. OMG. Shit, bro, shit. Look. Oh my days. Nangyari. Locker. Ano yun? Ano ka? Order ka pa, Ay. Where the hell have you been? Nagtago. I've been ringing that bell for 10 minutes straight. Lul. Not everyone has time here for you to finish whatever you were doing. I could walk to another cafe, grab drink, and come back by now. Hindi umalis ka na! This is how you treat your customers. No one in this place always do. Ay, putik ka. You can just leave the counter. What if someone came in and robbed the place? Ang kulit ng babae yun ah. Tatarantado mo ba ako? Okay, ano next? What the? Damn, I need to pee so badly. I just get a drink from here. Customer na tayo. Okay. Let me in. It says stuff only what a selfish store. Let me order drink first, then sneak in while she's not looking. Ah, ito tayo, men! Ang creepy pa. Sabi na tayo yung nasa menu. Ang creepy din pala ng mukha natin. No! Ah! Hi there. What can I get you today? Boba chocolate milk. Is that all? Yes, can I borrow a toilet while I wait? I'm very sorry. Our toilet is for staff only. Please wait a moment. One boba. Toilet for staff only is good. Ha? Ayaw nga pala. Mag-ano pala tayo. Papasok tayo din eh. Habang hindi siya. Wow. Hindi siya nakatingin. Baka killer pala tayo, no? Yung nagkasiserve ng kape. Pinatay niya yung may dalawang boba. Pinatay niya. What? Who would do such a thing? I need to leave immediately and call the police. Hindi tayo makakalabas dito. Alam ko na to. Mga gantong horror game. Alam ko na to. Tama. Ay! Diba? Sino ba naman ako di mahumaling? I told you, the toilet is for staff only. Nobody have a lesson. Natindala ka na ba na fella? Okay. But they kept coming in with their eyes staring, judging. This shop is my sanctuary, Malawa. Malawa? So I can't let you ruin it. Nabaliw na tayo ng tuluyan sa ano kakatrabaho. Not you, not everyone. Alam naman des, bayo lang mahlap sa wala na, iihi lang sana kaso namatay. Sabi na eh. Ang creepy oh. Nakangiti pang ganyan eh, no? Alam mo na. It's a shame that you don't get to enjoy my boba drink. Nilagare eh, no? Tapos may hawak na ganyan. So, yun na yung ending. Wala sa tono eh. Anyways guys, that's all for the day. See you in the next one. May pa ganun pa eh. Bye bye.